I get asked this question almost daily. Mark, how do you stay so motivated all the time? Let there be no confusion. I'm tired. I'm unmotivated. I don't want to do anything. I'm overwhelmed. I feel like I'm letting people down. I am behind schedule. I am anxious. I am nowhere near where I want to be in my goals. But greatness doesn't care about how I feel. My goals won't be accomplished without doing the work. And I am blessed for the opportunity to even work towards something I believe in. So I do the work anyway, even when I'm tired, even when I'm unmotivated, even when I don't want to do anything, even when I'm overwhelmed, even when I feel like I'm letting people down, even when I'm behind schedule, even when I'm anxious, even when I'm nowhere near where I want to be in my goals. So the goal for me personally is less about keeping myself motivated and more about how to minimize my obstacles and just be better. Just be better at what I do. So just keep moving. And it is not easy, but you have to learn how to leverage the power of mindless momentum to get the ball rolling. Mindless momentum is something that really helps me a lot. Like, I will get up and I will literally just spring out of bed, know that I need to get work done. And instead of hesitating and thinking so much about what I need to do and what are the orders of operation, and oh man, it just gets so overwhelming and I'm not motivated. I don't even want to do it. Like, I don't get into that. I just say, like, mindless momentum. Boom. I just start something. I start the thing that I need to do. I have a planner. I write out all the things that I need to do with check boxes, and then I'll literally come in and just start. I'll start at the beginning. I'll look at the checkbox. I'll be like, all right, cool. What's the first thing I need to do? Reply to emails. All right, here we go. Boom. And I just sit down, kind of like a mindless momentum, just to get the ball rolling. Don't think, just do what you know has to be done. And if you don't know where to begin, begin anywhere. Begin anywhere. Just do. And in the act of doing, you will then find that you're on the right path or you're on the wrong path, but at least you're moving. And so if you're on the wrong path, you adjust. If you're on the right path, keep going. But to not act because you're not motivated means that you're not moving forward. And sometimes we're looking for that cheerleader. We're looking for that person to come in and be like, hey, let's go. Hoorah. You got this. Or we're looking for that moment or for that carrot to chase. If you wait around for the trophy, it's never going to come. Sometimes you just got to move. You just got to move. So if there's something that you want to do and you're not sure how to do it, just start. Just keep moving. I love you guys. Keep going. And as always, if you ever have any questions, hit us up in the direct messages. Write us an email, info@gridbookpercussion.com. If you think this is something that someone needs to hear, share it out. And if you enjoy this type of content, I'm excited to do more. So thank you guys and keep going. This is Mark Perrett with Gridbook Percussion signing out. Peace.